How to sign up a Cookidoo account? To sign up a Cookidoo account, you can only do it via your PC or smartphone. Follow me with just a few simple steps. Type the URL cookidoo.international directly in the browser. Make sure you are at the right webpage, cookidoo.international. Click on Sign Up. Enter a valid email address. Create a password. Choose your country of residence. Tick the column and sign up. Next, access your email account and look for an email from Thermomix customer service. Activate your account by clicking on the button. You may now enjoy browsing the endless inspiration with your Cookidoo account.